One more night in my head, I'm stirring up dust, kicking cobwebs.
Wow.
Looking for a light I've never known. Will it be out in the wilderness, or will it be homegrown? One more night with the dead, I've been spending more time with them than the living. And if you're just the company that you keep, I'll stay where I am for eternity. Well, I don't know if something's gonna come my way. I don't know, but give me just a little taste, 'cause I need some.
Hi guys, welcome to the Lake District. I'm here today with my friend Arn.
Hello guys.
It's a 5 to 6 hour drive from London, and to be honest, it wasn't that difficult going here. The only difficult part is waking up early in the morning, isn't it?
What time is it?
I think we woke up at around 4 o'clock, but we get up at 4:30. And then we prepared our breakfast. So Arn made some chicken sandwich, which is really nice, and we enjoyed it along the way. Then we we head off at around 5:30, which is actually not bad. We arrived here at 11:30, and now we're walking towards the Lake Windermere, which is our main attraction for the day. I'm so excited about this trip because this is our first time to have this group activity, and all of us haven't tried hiking before, isn't it, guys? This is all our first time, yeah. So I can't show you the two of my friends because they're very private people. I can only show you Arn here, which is also a content creator now. I'm so proud of him. And I hope you guys would enjoy this vlog. I'll be bringing you along with us as we try all the beautiful things here in the Lake District.
Shows up around the corner, maybe it's that direct.
growing up in a city, I always feel like everything should be fast paced, and it's such a different kind of vibe being just around here, being present at the moment, admiring the nature. And I'm really grateful about this trip because I'm with the most important people in my life, and I have this opportunity to experience this beautiful. It's just so pretty. I don't think my camera is giving justice to what I'm seeing right now, but it's one of the most scenic, iconic, and beautiful thing I ever seen here in the UK. And I do understand all the people saying that this is one of the most popular destination to experience nature because I can see how calming it is, and it's just one of the most unique experience that you could ever experience. I don't know what I'm talking about. I would just rather show it to you. And yeah, that's it.
Thinking about what we've been through. The world can be a lonely place. Baby, I'm so glad that I found you. Now I got someone to embrace. From the day you stole my heart, I never ever want to be apart. Don't you feel the times are coming? 'Cause I feel it so strong. I've been on hold on, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming? When it feels so right to dance in the moonlight, baby, with you. Sometimes we all struggle, but when the sun hits my face, I think of you and all my troubles are gone without a trace. From all the things that are you, I know our love will see us through. Don't you feel the times are coming? 'Cause I feel it so strong. I've been on hold on, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming? When it feels so right to dance in the
Tay.
moonlight, baby.
Yung food reco nyo. Handsome. I really like your glow up, Arn. Your glow up.
So they wanted to see my pictures.
You guys wanna see how my friend looks like before?
I'm gonna show you.
Baby, we can open every door. From the day you stole my heart, I never ever want to be apart. From all the things that are you, I know our love will see us through. Don't you feel the times are coming? 'Cause I feel it so.
So we have to do a little bit of change of plans because it's raining heavily outside, and initially we're planning to go to Ambong side and Grassmere to do some little hiking and walk, but I don't think it's gonna be safe for us if we're gonna do that if the weather is like this. So we stopped at the Thai restaurant here. I don't know what is it called. What is it called? Some Thai place, and we decided to just have some Thai food and head to our Airbnb, and we're gonna continue our adventure tomorrow. I think that will be the best for us to do. Maybe tomorrow's gonna be a good weather and we can stick to our plans. my favorite, tom yum soup. I never go to a Thai restaurant without ordering tom yum soup. This is my comfort food when it comes to Thai cuisine.
What did you order, Arn?
What I have here is chicken pad thai, my favorite
Wow.
Thai food.
Nice. You always order chicken pad thai.
Always.
Yes, I know you.
Sorry cup, kun cup.
I want to show you guys what our Airbnb looks like. It's nice. It's a very cozy home, and the size is just enough for all of us. This is the sofa, and we've got a little balcony in here. As you can see, the weather is so rubbish. It's been raining so hard since we got here. It's not that bad. This is the kitchen, and I would say that it has everything that you need to prepare a decent meal. Got your cutleries in here, mugs, and I really like this electric kettle. It's very clean, I would say. Even the stove, it's properly maintained. Oh, it was so nice of them. Nice. This is the fridge. Oh, and they got us milk. I love it. Now let's move on to the first bedroom. So this is twin bedroom for my friends, and they've got a closet here. This is the second bedroom, queen size, and it has its own toilet and a little dresser here. It's so nice. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous, and for its price, I can't complain.
Hi.
We're just gonna go and settle in, and then I'll see you soon again. Bye.
See ya. Bye bye.
So it's currently 7:35, and I had the most relaxing nap, and I woke up with Arn preparing some food. I'm so lucky because he cooks the best adobo. Like my favorite, Filipino adobo. He's the best. So I'm just gonna help him prepare some dinner and maybe take an early night. Because tomorrow we're going to all the destinations that we are unable to do because the weather is so rubbish. It's been raining the whole day, and we're gonna do a proper hike hopefully tomorrow if the weather permits, of course. So we need to have a proper rest. I don't know, do you guys want to see us prepare some food? I don't know if that's interesting enough to include in this video. But if you guys want to see that, maybe comment. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just mumbling words. Okay, so you give me no choice. Let me just show you how I prepare food.